All right, buddy. Nothing in your pockets, right?
No, sir. No drugs, narcotics, no nothing.
Nearly $11,000 in cash. Do you ever carry that kind of money when you're out? To find out why he had it and the heavy price he is about to pay, stick around to see how this plays out. Let us get started.
Stopping you. You were doing 85.
I was trying to get out your way.
You're trying to get out my way?
Yeah, because you was...
Huh? What you mean you were trying to get out my way?
Cause you was in my tail.
Yeah, because you were doing so fast. You got your license on you, bud? Nothing in the car you know about guns? Mind if I take a look?
In the car?
Yeah. I can or can't?
No, you can't.
I can't? Okay. 64 something. Start me in K9. Stop 329 and 301. What's that?
I just got the car from the shop. I just got the car from the shop.
Okay. Okay, stand by for me. Is it your car, bud?
My mom's and I.
Your mom's and yours? Okay, you don't got no guns or nothing like that? Okay. License good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no suspensions, nothing like that, right?
No, just got them back. They were suspended for child support.
Okay.
And I didn't know it, and I went and took care of that. So,
when was that taken care of?
about 2-3 weeks ago.
Okay.
So yeah, they good.
All right, good deal, bud. That window at all. Right there's good.
But I ain't long bought this car.
Okay. Yeah, the window, it has to be 15% in the back or above. It's showing 4%. Okay? That's illegal. You roll this one about halfway up, just a hair. All right, right there's good. This one has to be 28 or above. What does that say?
15.
Exactly. Okay. All right.
When I purchased the
Just
car,
hang on for me, okay? Give me a second.
Using a tint meter is a tactical way to buy time for the K9 unit. It allows the officer to keep the stop legal while waiting for the dog to arrive.
All right, buddy. Here's what's going on, okay? A K9 deputy is here to assist me on this traffic stop. He's going to conduct a free air sniff with his dog around your vehicle, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to keep your hands up on the steering wheel where I can see them at all times while he's doing this, but I want you to roll this window up about 2/3 of the way. What's that? About even with this one. Keep that left hand up. No, there's no passengers in the car. Yeah.
It is over for him. The dog just gave the signal, and now the police have the green light to search every inch of that vehicle.
All right, buddy. So what's going on right now is, okay, keep your hands up.
Okay.
Keep your
I just want to hold it down.
get that hand out of there, okay? Go ahead and step out for me, okay? The dog alerted on a odor of coming from the vehicle, okay? Do you have anything in your pockets that I need to know about? Guns, are they gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me, right? Nothing in that car you need to tell me about?
No, sir.
Keep your hands out your pocket.
I'll just put my...
Okay. All right, you're acting real nervous. I'm just gonna detain you in handcuffs, okay? You good with that?
Put them on the seat.
Just some. All right, buddy. Nothing in your pockets, right?
No, sir. No drugs, narcotics, no nothing.
Where's all that money from?
Work.
You work?
Yeah. CLM transport.
Good deal.
He thinks the word transport sounds legal. To a cop, that is just code running.
Yeah, more money in this pocket. That's a lot of money. Hey, buddy, I'm going to read you something, okay? I'm going to give you some, if you want to talk, we'll talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to your lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to execute these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
Yes, sir.
No? Okay. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to go double lock these so they don't cinch down on you or nothing. You're going to have a seat in the back of my car for now until we figure out what's going on. All right, buddy?
Air valve for me. It fell out my hand. Got some air valves in my hand.
What's that? What is it?
It's full right now. It's filled over.
What is it? Oh, this bag. Oh, see ya.
Hold on right now, for now. Hey, can y'all unlock your car? What's that?
Got one right there on the ground.
Yeah, okay. I'm not 100% sure what he's got in his hand yet, so.
That's it.
What is it?
It was an air valve.
Well, okay,
Just left
hold
the
on, hold on.
shop.
Listen, you don't want to talk to me, bud, that's fine. So we're gonna have a seat in my partner's car back here.
$80 grams of nearly $11,000 in cash, and 14 pills without a prescription. In the state of Florida, anything over 28 grams of is an automatic trafficking charge. For a man like Eugene, this could mean spending the rest of his life behind bars. But let us look at the bigger picture. Eugene is not a rookie. He already spent 10 years of his life in prison for the exact same type of crimes. The real question here is the psychology of a career criminal. Was it extreme arrogance that made him drive 25 miles per hour over the limit with a mobile crime scene in his car? Or did he simply believe he was untouchable? It is the ultimate irony of the streets. You can spend a decade learning the rules of the game, only to lose everything because of a piece of dark plastic on your window and a lead foot. What do you think about this one? Was this a brilliant tactical move by the deputies using a tint meter? Or was Eugene just asking for it by being so careless? Some might say he was his own worst enemy that day. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you appreciate this kind of deep dive into the world of law enforcement, please subscribe to the channel and join our community. It helps us keep the truth on your screen. Thank you for watching Blue Line Raw. Stay safe out there and watch your speed.